Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE, and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margaon, Vasco, and Porvorim.
पणजे मार्केटातल्या सोप्याचे कांड एक्सपोज जायत सावन हे पैसे कोणाक वता ह्या कांडा फाटलो मास्तर कोण काय म्हूण सगळ्यांकूच प्रश्न. 4 दीस जाले बापूय पूत आमदार महापौर दोगूय तोंड उगडिनात. बोर्ड कमिशनरा कडेन. कमिशनरूय तोंड उगडूंक आनी तोंड दाखोवंक तयार नाशिल्लो. निमाणे स्मार्ट सिटीचे मिटिंगेक आयिल्ले कडेन मिडियान ताका गाठलो. हो प्रकार 10-15 वर्सां सावन चल्ला म्हूण खंय ताका कळ्ळा.
Worker has given a statement that he was told by the previous market supervisor.
Who is that supervisor?
Nagesh Kadri is somebody. So he has been issued a show cause notice. He has been told why I should not suspend him pending inquiry. A worker who was collecting it has been delisted.
Okay.
So now I am doing detailed inquiry because I have been told that this system was going on for the last 10 years or more.
10 years?
Yeah, that's what has been given. The statements the workers have given.
So how much the amount could be coming to?
No, I am doing a detailed inquiry now. I want to know who has benefited out of this.
हे पैसे खंय वता ते आपल्याकूय कळपाक जाय म्हूण कमिशनर उलोवन दाखयता.
What has been told to me was that the worker was collecting the SOPO, giving to the supervisor. Supervisor was depositing in the municipal treasury.
Municipal treasury.
Yes. Now, how do I verify what exactly, how, whether the worker or supervisor is telling the truth? म्हणजे कडे काय ना न्हू. होय. तो फाल्यां आपल्याला 10 ट्रक येयल्या, 50 ट्रक येयल्या जायत. How will I verify? If there is a receipt given.
Accountability ते पैसे येयला बद्दल जास्त.
So whatever has happened, I'm quite shocked. So this should not have happened.
सोपो कांड एक्सपोज करपी आदलो महापौर उदय मडकयकाराचेरूय शिनाल.
Probably he should have been knowing. He was also mayor of the corporation.
दोषींचेर खंय सिव्हिल आणि क्रिमिनल एक्शन जातली.
I will do a detailed inquiry. Whoever has benefited, if at all somebody has benefited
Everybody linked.
out of this illegal gain, जाल्या जर कोणाक थंयसर न्हू जाल्यार ताका सारकें कडक हें आसलें एक्शन आसलें सिव्हिल एंड क्रिमिनल एक्शन.
प्रुडंटा खातीर चेतन गवस.